any medium, any interface through which buyers and sellers come in contact with each other. So traditionally, market meant a physical place. Now all of us know that it is any platform. It can be a physical place, but in addition, it is any platform through which buyers and sellers come in contact with each other. All of us know online shopping, all retail platforms or wholesale platforms like India Mart is a wholesale platform, or retail would be your Mintra, First Cry, and all these platforms, Amazon. These all are digital markets. So it is any medium, any interface through which buyers and sellers come in contact with each other to exchange goods and services. Now, when I use the term financial markets, but obvious, we are talking about trading, buying, selling financial instruments. Okay. Now, financial markets can be classified in a number of ways, and if you have a look at the financial markets, they are said to be an indicator of the health of the economy. So it is the backbone of the economy. Any macro level event will have a direct impact on the financial markets. So just yesterday your budget has been announced, and whether or not the market is receptive to the budget, or what is the mood with respect to the budget, that is completely reflected in the movement in the financial market. So we saw yesterday that the corporate has been welcoming the budget, and the subsequent impact was seen in the rise in Sensex and Nifty. Okay, so they are a barometer of the growth of the economy. Barometer is a measuring device which measures atmospheric pressure, and similarly, the economy's health is measured by the movement in the financial markets. Okay, so the financial markets, they deal in financial assets and credit instruments. Coming to the functions of financial markets, just give me a second. There's an important call to attend. Sorry for the inconvenience. So coming to the functions of financial markets, like the financial system of the economy serves a number of purposes. Same functions apply more or less to the financial markets also. So first and foremost, like the financial system, markets bring the deficit units and the surplus units of the economy in contact with each other. Then the markets are the places where prices are determined, and all of you know that prices are determined on the basis of demand and supply. After that, markets provide information about the health fundamentals of the economy, what is the expectation of the consumer, how efficient have been government policies, and what is the perception of the public with regards to major policy changes. Then risk sharing. Now risk sharing is transfer of risk from the borrowers to the lenders, or from the lenders to the borrowers, because investment is taking place through the financial markets. Then liquidity. If there is regular trading, if the frequency of trade is good, then your financial assets have liquidity. And trading can be good only when your financial markets are developed. Efficiency. Efficiency of the market is reflected by the decrease in transaction cost. So, as more players enter the market through economies of scale, cost per unit falls. Also, when efficiency of operations increases, the cost savings also come in. So, all this happens when an economy has a fully developed, efficient financial market. Now, coming to the classification of financial markets, as I told you, there are a number of ways in which we can classify the financial markets. First and foremost is on the basis of type of financial claim. So, whether you are entering the equity segment or you are entering the debt segment. So, per se debt is having first claim, fixed claim over the assets of the company, while equity market is for equity holders who have the residual claim not only on the assets of the company but also on the income of the company. Next classification is on basis of timings, maturity of claim. So money market is for short term investment, investment less than 1 year, while capital market is for a period more than 1 year. Then seasoning of claim, whether the claim is being made for the first time. Primary market, market for first time issuance of securities, while secondary market is for subsequent trading of the securities. Then on the basis of arrangement, so you can have organized markets and you can have unorganized markets. Problem with unorganized markets is that if there's any fraud there, then it does not come under the purview of RBI or SEBI. Then classification on the basis of timing of delivery. So you have a cash or spot market which is for immediate buy or purchase. As I told you, transaction cycle of T plus 2 days. So this is a spot market where immediate settlement of the transaction takes place. But if you are dealing for a period more than T plus 2 days, your settlement will take place in the future. Then you are dealing in the derivative segment of the market or forward or future market. Apart from this, the other types of market, foreign exchange market where you are dealing in foreign currency. This is a 24-hour market. Okay. Can anyone tell me what are the trading timings on the Indian market?
9 to 3.
मैम 9 to 3.
ओके 9 एक्चुअल जो ट्रेडिंग होती है वो 9:15 पे शुरू होती है एंड इट गोज ऑन टिल 3:30 in the
Yes, ma'am.
afternoon. Okay, and then Saturday and Sunday are off days. Monday to Friday होती है trading. But if I talk about the forex market, because all the countries with their currencies are involved, they are in different time zones. So this market is a 24/7 market. ओके क्योंकि एक जगह पे ट्रेडिंग ऑन है तो दूसरी जगह पे शायद क्लोजिंग आवर्स हो, तो ऐसे करके दिस इज अ 24/7 मार्केट एंड एक्चुअली दिस इज द बिगेस्ट मार्केट in terms of turnover. Coming to the derivative market, yesterday I explained you the term derivatives. That is T+2 days से ज़्यादा की मार्केट होती है, और इसमें एक्चुअल में जो लिटरल मीनिंग होता है डेरिवेटिव टर्म का वो ये होता है कि डेरिवेटिव्स दे डिराइव देयर वैल्यू फ्रॉम द अंडरलाइंग एसेट. So not only can you deal in shares here, debt instruments, but you can also deal in gold derivatives, forex derivatives, or interest rate derivatives. So one of you is actually attempting the forex market, तो वहाँ पे भी derivatives आते हैं. Forward future option swap. Now these are the four main types of derivatives which are available in this market. But obviously this is something which is beyond purview of our syllabus. I'll not go into the detail, but on the whole, these are the types of financial markets that exist in India. There's any market which needs further explanation, please, you can ask any one of you out of the markets which we have discussed. Okay, so then coming to the role of financial markets in the economy. So as I told you, they reflect the uh, health of the economy, how efficiently the firms are performing, the fundamentals, how good are the fundamentals of the economy, and then how the common man is perceiving the macroeconomic changes, be it with respect to policy rates by RBI, or say unemployment, inflation, interest rate change. Every factor at the macro level will show a subsequent effect on the micro level, and through the financial markets we get to know what has been the reaction. Also, it's not only limited to the national scenario, but anything that is happening globally. Say Biden, he has won the election, or say there is some friction between China and India, then हांगकांग में प्रोटेस्ट हो रहे हैं, ऑल XYZ, इसराइल ईरान का फ्रिक्शन है. All this will have an impact on the domestic markets also. So they help us gauge what is happening at the international level and what kind of repercussions can it have on the national level also. So in that sense, financial markets are communicating a lot of direct and indirect information. Then with the ease in trading, with the efficiency in trading increasing, markets are bringing a lot of people to actual investment. So they are converting these savings into investment. They are providing funds to the corporates, which will eventually pump the growth of the economy. So these are some of the major functions being performed by financial markets, and actually they are an engine of the economic development. So in that sense, it is playing a very, very important role. So any question in this?